Here's a story you might not expect. I set a boundary and it saved the friendship. We used to talk all day, every day. But I noticed I was feeling overwhelmed, like I was holding their emotions in mind constantly. So one day I said, "Hey, I care about you deeply, but I need a little space to recharge sometimes." I was terrified, but instead of pushing back, he thanked me. He respected it. And you know what? Our friendship got healthier. Sometimes boundaries don't end things, they strengthen what's